Welcome back, everyone, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and that notification bell for more upcoming future videos.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
So for this DIY subscriber request, I was asked to create a three-way body length Victorian style mirror with a modern twist. So I went to Walmart and purchased three length body mirrors. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. So to start off, I'll be covering all three mirrors, and I'll be using painter's tape and some scrap paper that I had laying around so the spray paint would not leak through the mirror. Next, I'll be spray painting all three mirrors with metallic silver spray paint, and I'll let it dry for 2 hours. Next, I'll be taking four painter sticks that I got from Home Depot, and they are 15 inches long. I'll be cutting the tips and then spray painting them all four with metallic silver spray paint. Next, I'll be taking two painter sticks and placing them on the edge on the bottom side of the mirror, leaving 8 inches hanging from the mirror. Next, I'll take my drill gun and three 1-inch screws, and I'll be screwing three of them on each side. I'll leave a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I will take the second mirror and repeat the same steps. This time I'll be using just one painter stick, leaving 4 inches from the bottom. Here I took the third mirror and repeated the same steps, but this time I'll be placing the painter stick on the opposite side. Next, I'll be bringing back one of the mirrors, joining it with the middle side mirror and making sure the bottom part is very even, and I'll be attaching it with 1.5-inch butterfly plates. These plates come two in a pack, so before I attach the second one on the same side, I'll be leaving 12-inch space. After attaching all your four legs, you should have the center mirror higher than the rest. Next, I will take three 5-inch round mirrors that I purchased from Dollar Tree, taking them apart and just spray painting the frame metallic silver. Next, I'll take all three round mirrors and I'll be attaching them in the center on top of each mirror using craft sticks. And I just spray painted them silver and cut them in half to attach the bottom part of each round mirror. I will be repeating the same steps on the other two mirrors. Here I'll be using these mirror reflective round plastic plates that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'll be using a hot tool to cut out the center. I find that when you use this tool, you'll get less cracks. Some people do use scissors, but you do get a lot of cracks when you use scissors, so I prefer doing it this way. I'll be using the mirror reflected part, cutting them into 6 inches arches, and I'll be placing one arch on each side of the round mirrors on all three mirrors. Next, I'll be using 6 Victorian mirrors that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll just be snapping off the bottom part and using that part to attach all 6 to the mirrors. Next, I'll be taking these large gems that I purchased from Walmart, and I'll be gluing them around the frame of the all 3 round mirrors. I will be reinforcing everything with E6000. I will glue one large gem on the part where I snapped off the handles of the Victorian mirrors. I will be using smaller sized gems to glue around the frames of each mirror. These gems are self-adhesive, but I did go back with some E6000 for some reinforcement. And here is the finished look. I also decided to add 3 large gems on each side of the arches on all 3 mirrors. And I also added 2 more arches just to give it more of a Victorian look. Now don't forget I post new DIY videos every week. This was such a fun DIY to create and a request to take on. Now don't forget to like and share with family and friends. Leave a comment if you wish and hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I have a lot more coming your way. See you soon.